For the one time.
You already know how we going in this shit. Yeah. Little young motherfuckers funny. Caught up by the fella, I ain't think this shit was fair. Don't sell by the pen, I make it so while you work for the fella. Don't shop, you shop by the 8. Don't sell by the 8. Find little shawty as bait. Fuck with me, I don't date. Glock with me, never late. Ain't worried about you, shoot headlocks. Fast light, don't stop at the red light.
I told her bitch, hold her leg go. She tryna play me like a Joe. I ain't going for that bitch. Yeah, I ain't going.
So I don't know what the heck. I don't know what the heck kind of car this is, y'all. But that motherfucker keep goddamn. Damn, y'all almost seen that wreck now, y'all. I don't know what the fuck it is. He came by me, trip not. About to go get his ass. Y'all see what I'm doing? About to go get his ass. I'm on your ass, but you ain't doing shit. Oh, I'm on that too. I'm on that too. Come here. Where you going? I try to get him to slow down so I can see what kind of car it is. I think it's one of them goddamn Chevy SS's, bro. Like, nah, I know what that is. That's a fucking Malibu. That's probably like the police edition Malibu. Let me see if I can get him to stop. Slow down. He don't want to slow down. But I was just on his ass though. Slow down, bro. I ain't gonna drive like that. And you trying to get me fucked up, boy. Yo, slow down. Get your attention, bro. That bitch does sound good. Yeah, that's a Malibu. I think that, what they call that bitch? Nah, that's the Caprice, I think. Fuck it, that. That bitch nice. I gotta get that nigga thumbs up. Get that bitch thumbs up, man. What you talking about? That bitch fine. And that bitch sound good. And that bitch sound good, gang. But yeah, though, man, I don't know what's up with these folks, man. Been trying me on the highway, man. I don't know. But goddamn, y'all seen those on his attitude, whatever that is. Y'all let me know what kind of car that is. I don't fucking know. I think it's one of them Caprices. I thought it was a Chevy SS. It might be a Caprice. I think that's a Caprice though, I ain't gonna lie. But I was on this ass, I had to slow down, but cause goddamn cars kept trying to get over in front and shit. Y'all know I don't drive like that for real. And my shit in eco mode. Just imagine if I was in track throttle body on and everything.
What?
But yeah, y'all let me know what kind of car this is. Cause I don't know. I think it is a Caprice though. I think it's a Caprice. I'll give you the dough. I'll give you a car. Came through trim, boy. Doing about 150. Ain't gonna lie though, I was on your ass though, boy. Yeah, that gotta be a Caprice, y'all. I think that's Caprice. For sure, for sure. That nigga got a turbo or something in that bit, but I hear that bit. Hell no. Hell no. That don't sound good, but I ain't gonna lie. Whatever that is, boy, you got that bitch souped up. But I was on your ass though, boy. You gotta get your horsepower up, man. And then my tune ain't on. I ain't got my tune on or nothing. You feel me? But I'm about to cut this off, man. Catch up with y'all later.